Welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Discussion with Kaji. Today I will discuss on few multiple choice questions with their explanatory answers on pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Now the first question is, one of the ex officio member of the Pharmacy Council of India is Government Analyst, Registrar of the State Pharmacy Council, Director General of Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Director General of Health Services. Here ex officio member means member because of chair. For example, President of India, Director of any organization, Principal of any college. The chair is fixed, but the person may sit in this chair may vary time to time. Here the answer is Director General of Health Services. He is also the chairman of DTAB, that is Drug Technical Advisory Board. Next question. In Drug and Cosmetic Act and rules thereunder, list of substances that should be sold by retail only on prescription of registered medical practitioner is given in Schedule V, Schedule G, Schedule H, Schedule Q. In this question, we have seen that it is a warning to the pharmacist, and this warning is specified in Schedule H. So the correct answer is Schedule H, that is option C. Regarding this question, we know that Schedule V stands for the standard for patent and proprietary medicine. Schedule G is the list of substances that should be taken by the patient on prescription of registered medical practitioner, and Schedule Q is the list of Coulter colors permitted to be used in cosmetics. Next question. Names of pharmacists can be removed from register only by an order of the Pharmacy Council of India, Registration Tribunal, Executive Committee of the State Pharmacy Council, Director of Health Services. The names of registered pharmacists may be removed on the ground of if name has been entered by error, misrepresentation, or suppression of facts, or if he or she has been convicted of an offences. And the names of pharmacists can be removed from the register only by an order of the Executive Committee of the State Pharmacy Council. So the correct answer is option C. Next question. Central Research Institute is situated at Kolkata, Kasauli, Lucknow, Izardnagar. We know that Central Drug Laboratory, that is CDL, is situated at Kolkata, and CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute, is situated in Lucknow, and antisera and toxoids are tested at Izardnagar, and Central Research Institute is situated at Kasauli. So the correct answer is Kasauli, which is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Next question. In which year 6th edition of IP was published? The options are 2007, 2014, 1955 and 2010. We know that first edition of IP was published in 1955. Second edition was 1966. Third edition was 1985. Fourth edition is 1996. Fifth edition is 2007. Sixth edition is 2010. Seventh edition is 2014. And eighth edition is the latest edition and was published in 2018. So the correct answer for this question is D, that is 2010. Next question. Medical Termination of Pregnancy, that is MTP Act, was enacted in 1930, 1971, 1945, 1864. The correct answer is 1971. Regarding this question, we should know the Dangerous Drug Act was enacted in 1930 and Drug and Cosmetic Rule was enacted in 1945, and in 1864 first edition of the British Pharmacopoeia was published. Next question. Clinical trial and expiry date of drugs are respectively fall under schedule V and N, O and P, Y and P, M and S. Before going to the answer, we should know each schedule enlisted here. Schedule V stands for Patent and Proprietary Medicine. Schedule N is the minimum requirement to run a retail pharmacy. Schedule O is the standards for disinfectant fluids. Schedule P is the expiry date or life period of drugs. Schedule Y is clinical trial. Schedule M is good manufacturing practice, and Schedule S is the standards for cosmetics. So the correct answer is C, that is Schedule Y and Schedule P. Next question. Choose the correct formula for the calculation of the retail price of a formulation given by the Government of India. Here the correct answer is option D. Where RP is the retail price, MC is the material cost, PC is the packing charge, PM is the cost of packing material, CC is the conversion cost, MAP is the maximum allowable post manufacturing expenses, and ED is the excise duty. Next question. The period of training to be undertaken by a student pharmacist in a hospital is 750 hours, 500 hours, 600 hours, 1000 hours. The correct answer is B, that is 500 hours. Next question. Government opium factory is situated at Neemuch and Gazipur, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai. The correct answer is Neemuch and Gazipur. Neemuch is situated in Malwa city of Madhya Pradesh and Gazipur is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which of the following drug falls under Schedule X? The options are diazepam, analgin, thyroxine, digitalis. Here the correct answer is option A, that is diazepam. The other options, that is analgin, falls under schedule W because it is a generic product. Thyroxine falls under schedule G and digitalis falls under schedule C1. Next question. Premises licensed for sale of drugs having qualified person and where drugs are not compounded is chemist and druggist, drug store, drug vendor, pharmacy. The correct answer is A, that is chemist and druggist. Regarding this question, we should know the definition of drug store, drug vendor and pharmacy. Here drug store is a licensed premises for the sale of drugs which do not require the services of qualified person and where drugs are not compounded against prescription. Drug vendor is a person who can sell drugs and not required pharmacy training. Pharmacy is a licensed premises for the sale of drug which require the services of qualified person and where drugs are compounded against prescription. Next question. Drug inspector is appointed under the section of the Act 48, 42, 19, 21. The correct answer is option D, that is section 21. According to Drug and Cosmetic Act, in relation to appointing drug inspector under the section of 21, but in relation to Ayurvedic, Unani and Siddha medicine, drug inspector are appointed by central or state government under section 33G. Next question. Pharmacy Council of India is reconstituted every 1 year, 6 years, 3 years, 5 years. The correct answer is 5 years, that is option D. Next question. If the product has been substituted wholly or partly by another drug or substance, it is known as adulterated drug, misbranded drug, poisonous drug, spurious drug. Here the correct answer is spurious drug, that is option D. Here adulterated drugs means it contains in whole or in part of filthy, putrid or decomposed substances, or if it is prepared, packed or stored under unsanitary condition, or it contains harmful or toxic substances. Similarly, misbranded drugs is if it is so colored, coated, powdered or polished that the damage is concealed, or it is not labeled in prescribed manner. And poisonous drugs are the harmful or toxic and which may cause life-threatening. Thank you for watching.